there, DIY enthusiasts! Ready to master the art of paper airplanes in just 3 minutes? Whether you're looking for a quick break from adulting or teaching a kid some DIY magic, I've got you covered. Grab some paper, scissors, a ruler, and optional double-stick tape, and let's dive in. First up, the dart. This is the classic paper airplane everyone should know. Take your paper and fold it in half vertically. Unfold it and fold each top corner into the center line. Fold the top edges into the center line again. Now, fold the plane in half toward you. Fold the wings down, aligning the top edges with the bottom edge of the body. If you want extra stability, add some double-stick tape inside the body. And there you have it. Your dart is ready to soar. Next, the stealth. This one's built for distance and looks super cool. Start by folding the paper in half vertically. Unfold and fold the top corners into the center line. Fold the peak toward you, about 3/4 of an inch from the bottom. Fold both top corners into the center line and lock them in place by folding the remaining tip over the flaps. Fold the plane in half away from you. Fold the wings down 1 inch from the bottom. Now fold up the sides of each wing 1/2 inch tall. Cut 2 small slits at the back of each wing and fold up the tabs. Add some tape inside for extra durability, and you're good to go. Now let's make the Bumble. This bee-like beauty stays in the air for a long time. Fold your paper in half horizontally. Unfold it and fold the top corners into the center line. Fold the peak down to meet the edge of the previous fold. Fold the upper sides into the center line. Fold the top edge 1/2 inch away from you. Fold the plane in half towards you, and then fold the wings down 1/2 inch from the bottom. Add tape inside, and watch your Bumble hover. On to the Hunter. This sleek plane is all about speed and distance. Fold the paper in half vertically. Unfold and fold the top edge down 2 inches. Fold it down again to meet the bottom of the previous fold. Repeat one more time. Fold the top edges down and away from you to the center line on the back of the paper. Fold the plane in half towards you. Fold the wings down 1/2 inch in the front and angle them to 1.5 inches in the back. Fold up the edges of the wings, add tape inside, and your Hunter is ready for launch. Finally, the Bullnose. This plane is deceptively fast and stays aloft for quite a distance. Fold the top right corner over to the left side, making a crease from the top to the bottom right corner. Unfold and repeat for the left corner. Unfold again and fold the top right corner to meet the first crease. Do the same for the left corner. Fold the top right edge to meet the edge of the third fold. Repeat for the other side. Fold the top edge down and towards you, meeting the point where the right and left layers cross. Fold the plane in half away from you. Starting at the nose, fold the wings down at a slight angle, 1/2 inch in the front to about 2 inches in the back. Add some tape inside, and your Bullnose is ready to fly. And there you have it, 5 awesome paper airplanes to impress your friends and family. Happy flying, everyone!